It's been an hour already. I'm out of here, people.
Hasn't been an hour.
Yeah, Ned.
Hi. Sorry I kept you waiting. Good. Good. Okay, well. Can you strip naked and put on your hospital gown as quick as you can?
Dr. MacKee, this is a joke.
I'm not laughing. Here they are. Alan. Roger. Lonnie. Scope. Sarah. JJ. Michael.
Anything in a pacer?
He's coming up.
Doctors, you have spent a lot of time learning the Latin names for the diseases your patients might have. Now it's time to learn something simpler about them. Patients have their own names. Sarah. Alan. Jack. They feel frightened, embarrassed, and vulnerable, and they feel sick. Most of all, they want to get better. Because of that, they put their lives in our hands. I could try to explain what that means until I'm blue in the face. But you know something, it wouldn't mean a thing. And sure as hell never did to me. So, for the next 72 hours, you'll each be allocated a particular disease. You'll sleep in hospital beds, eat hospital food. Hospital food.
Okay.
And be given all the appropriate tests. Tests you will one day prescribe.
Unbelievable.
You are no longer doctors. You are hospital patients.
Oh, no.
So good luck. I'll see you on my rounds.